Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm trying to help somebody that's lost their virtual segment delete key. He says it's not even there. And I've already talked to him via email that it should be right there and you can turn it off. And he says, sometimes it works, but you can go find all these tools and you could put them available. So let's just get the virtual segment delete key. I'm going to hold down the Control and the Alt button, and I'm going to park it right up there. Another thing that you'd want up there, I just did a video on the nudge distance. We could put the nudge distance up there. Another thing I want the smoothing tool up there. Hold down the Alt and the Control button and put the smoothing tool. And they're pretty cool because you can see what they are. And then a tool that's not over there, but I'd want to convert things to curves. It doesn't even have to be highlighted. I can grab it and there's convert to curves. Now you see it's not highlighted because I don't have anything to convert to a curve. But as soon as I draw an object, all I have to click is convert it to a curve, and now it's a curve. Without going, up to object and down to curves, I can grab the smoothing tool. This would be very helpful, and it brings up everything. And then if I wanted to put another item in there and then you get the virtual segment delete key and delete these two lines, everything's more available. Now you can grab that one and go customize toolbar item, caption to the right of image, in case you don't know what that looks like. So if you click on the item, right click, customize toolbar item, caption to the right of image. Click on the item, right click, mouse, custom toolbar item. Just that one item, we can go and have caption to the right. You can see it's grayed out right now because we don't have anything we could turn into a curve, but now we can. So easily that's turned to a curve. I mean, you can change this a lot if you start running out of room. Toolbar item, caption only. I personally think after you learn that you only need the image, because that's definitely pretty cool and pretty big. That's a smoothing tool. You could leave that up there. But that's how you could leave tools more readily available. And we did the nudge distance earlier, and with nothing selected, you have to grab this right here, Control and the Alt button, and I can put the nudge distance. And then even when I have something selected, the nudge distance is right there. I don't have to back off. That really comes into play when you're working on something and you need to nudge, but you have to, let's say we zoom into that and get real close. Well, I don't know where I can, right here, I've lost the nudge. Over here, I've got the nudge because I'm off the item, but if I get on the item, I've still got my nudge up here. So that's how you can add tools to this. And I really think he's still got the virtual segment delete key somewhere. I don't know how and I even brought up X8, which he has, to see if I could figure it out. But anyway, that's how I would do it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.